Hi, thanks for inquiring data science course at ATI. We'll be covering the course curriculum in this video. There are multiple tools and techniques we'll be teaching in the data science course package. So there are tools like SQL, Excel, R, Python. These tools mainly will be teaching you to get started with data science basics. So data preparation, data mining, data warehousing, data, you might be come across these kind of jargons from the market, right? So using these tools you can easily do all this data preparation work, data automation work. SQL basically will be covering the fundamentals, the basics. Anybody from a non-IT background, completely like a fresher background, anybody can understand these tools. And we'll be teaching in a manner that you will be able to pick up practically and you'll be able to apply immediately. So SQL mainly will be addressing how to get started with any tool, any data management software, creating a tables, merging the tables, connecting the SQL tool with another tool, importing, exporting data. So there are multiple basic functions you will be learning in SQL. Then coming to Excel, Excel is a wonderful tool. If you know VBA macro level, you can even do a lot of wonders in terms of automation. You can even set the timing. You can send the reports at the particular specific time to a particular mail ID. That level you can do if you know Excel till macro level. Not running a macro, it's a writing macros. We'll be covering Excel till VBA macro dashboard level. Excel, there is a limitation to it. If your data is less than 50,000, you can use Excel. But for a predictive modeling purpose, you can't use Excel. Excel is again like a very junior level. Basic level, if you know Excel, you'll be able to get a job easily. Then coming to R, Python. R and Python both are similar tools. Mainly it is a statistical software. Companies, they will use it for data mining, data modeling, for all the purpose using R. Nowadays Python is taking over R, so we also started teaching Python using machine learning. R we will be using for basic level. So these are all the tools we'll be covering at the initial stage. Now coming to the techniques. The techniques are very important element to become a data scientist. Knowing only tools will make you till the junior level. So data entry level, like a data analyst level. So you will be under MIS reporter, automation analyst. There's kind of junior level roles. You will be easily able to get it. But the tools, there is a limitation to it. You might sustain for at least 2 years, 3 years. Again, next you have to get into data science, right? So to do data science, you need to know statistical algorithms. We'll be covering all the basic statistical algorithms, descriptive statistics, and the predictive modeling techniques, and also the machine learning algorithms, artificial intelligence, deep learning, TensorFlow, photo recognition. Everything will be covered in the analytics classes. So let me tell you little brief about Bayes analytics. In the Bayes analytics, we will start with hypothesis testing, ANOVA, regression, cluster analysis, factor analysis. This will be covered using R. So here we use like a used cases. Recently it happened in the companies. We'll give you a dummy data set, how to handle it. We'll teach you using these techniques. Here is the place where your human intervention comes in. How you are interpreting the data, it's going to add more value in this. Then coming to advanced analytics curriculum, here we will give you introduction towards the machine learning like decision tree, TensorFlow, all this tech. In deep learning, we'll be covering mainly TensorFlow, photo recognition, artificial intelligence, neural networks, NLP, everything will be covered in the deep learning class. Then the last bit is the BI reports. So whatever analysis you do, finally you have to produce a dashboard and you have to tell a story, data story, that you will be using Power BI or Tableau, different tools in the market to do dashboard visualizations. We'll be covering everything in this curriculum. So we'll be seeing the next video about how it is connected to you.